So today I'm going to be using my Amazon DA polisher, and then these polishing pads here, and I have this compound and this one here for the finishing. So ready to go. Trying to get that headlight polished up. So I'm showcasing this one because the other one it's already done. Because you can see there's a lot of haze and just a layer of I guess oxidation going on here. This is no longer clear as it should be, I guess. So what I'll do is I'll use the DA polishing, the polisher, and use those polishing pads and polish these out pretty much. I'm gonna do it as quick as possible just to show you how long it takes to get a pretty good result. The first round is looking better already, but there seems to be some clear coat here. So I have to do a little more or wet sand this. Okay, that's the second round. It's looking much better. I really have to wet sand this clear coat here. Previously I think somebody sprayed it on there. And this is just far beyond repairable. Let me see what I can do. This is the other side, which still looks horrible. Looking much better. Okay, this is what the final polishing. Things looking pretty good compared to the other side. Much better. Like I said, there's some damages that are in the glass. I don't think I could do anything about that, but overall this is looking much better. See the reflection on it. Alright, this is close to finished product here. See the reflection. I was able to sand all that clear coat off. There's just old nasty clear coat that they previously done on this, probably just to revise the headlight. You can see this one super foggy and not looking that good. I'm gonna have to see the difference once I turn on the headlights at night. There is some areas that I can't really do anything about, and that's looks like it's the internal part of the lens. And I'll see what I could do on the next one. I will actually film a full video on that. Cool. So as you can see, there's an imperfection between the glass. I'm not sure if this is something I can revive, but I will continue polishing it, especially when I do the other side. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'm really glad that this is looking a lot better. So subscribe to see more.